Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to make passive income online but didn't know where to start, today's video is for you. I'm going to show you exactly how you can use AI to write and sell your own ebook, even if you've never written anything before. And the best part? You can do it in just a few hours and start making money in your sleep. Step 1. Choose a profitable topic. First, you need a hot topic. Don't overthink it. Just focus on solving a problem or teaching something useful. Here are a few examples that sell like crazy. How to lose weight without the gym. AI side hustles for beginners. How to start an Etsy store with zero inventory. Need help finding one? Use ChatGPT. Just ask it. Give me 10 ebook topic ideas that people are searching for in your niche. Boom. Pick the one you like best. Step 2. Let ChatGPT write it for you. Now, the magic happens. Open ChatGPT and type. Help me write a 7-chapter ebook. Each chapter should be around 500 words. Start with chapter 1 now. ChatGPT will do the heavy lifting. You can even say, make the tone friendly, simple, and beginner-friendly. Edit as you go, or give more specific prompts to make it sound like you. In 1 to 2 hours, you can have a full ebook done. Step 3. Design a cover and format it. Now you need it to look professional. Use canva.com. It's free. Search ebook cover and pick a template. Change the title, add an image, and you're done. For the interior, paste the content into Google Docs or Canva. Add chapter titles, page numbers, and export as PDF. That's your product. Ready to sell. Step 4. Sell it on Payhip or Gumroad. Go to payhip.com or gumroad.com. Both are free. Upload your PDF, write a description, set your price, start at $5 to $15, and add a nice mock-up image. Share the link on your social media, in your bio, or even run ads if you want to go big. If you like, you can add master resell rights, and people will pay more because they can resell it too. That's it. You now have your own ebook, made with AI that you can sell 24/7. No printing, no inventory, no shipping, just pure digital income. Until next time, don't just scroll. Start building something you own.